Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD, GBP, JPY, and many more. So let's get started. Before I proceed, I would like to apologize for the disturbance. There is a construction going on nearby, so there will be some disturbance, so please do not mind. So this is the overall chart of USD JPY in front of us, and you can see that I have got many lines drawn here on the chart. So let's try to understand what are the trading opportunities for Monday. So first of all, I would like to talk about the trend of the market. If we observe the chart carefully, then we will observe that at first market was bullish. Market was extremely bullish at this particular portion here. Then after that market went sideways. For the last 2 months, market is sideways since October. You can see there is no proper trend present in the market right now, and these are the important levels for USD JPY. So if market goes up after the market opening, if market goes up from here, then the first resistance that market will be facing is 114 level. We have a resistance zone at 114 to 114.25. This is a whole resistance zone for the market. So if market goes up from here, then there is a good possibility of market reversing from 114 level. In case market reverses from 114 level, as per our expectation, we can take a sell position. But if market crosses the level of 114, do not think that this is a breakout, market is about to fly from here. No, do not make the mistake. If market breaks also the level of 114, do not take any buy position. Just wait for the market to reverse again, because as I told you just now, that 114 to 114.25, this is a resistance zone for the market. So if market goes up also, there is a good possibility of market reversing anywhere, not anywhere, from this particular level. So whenever market will be reversing from this particular level, we can take a sell position. Okay, but please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. And most importantly, you can see undoubtedly market is sideways, but right now market is trading in an upward channel. Upward channel means number of buyers are slightly higher in comparison to number of sellers. So as a result, following proper risk management is extremely important for any trader. So if market reverses from the resistance zone, definitely we can take a sell position. But if market comes down, or instead of going up, if market starts going down, then the first trading opportunity will be at the trend line. You can see that we have a trend line coming up from the bottom, acting as a support for the market. See, on numerous occasions the trend line has provided the required support to the market. As a result, there is a good possibility of market bouncing from the trend line. So if market comes down, then observe the market at a trend line. If market bounces from the trend line, that can be a good buying opportunity. So the trend line is a good buying option. The second trading opportunity is this particular level of 113.15 or 113.10, 113.15 to 113.10. So in case market comes down, then don't think that there will have market is about to going for a free fall and all, because we have an immediate support available in the form of 113.15 to 10 at this particular level. Why? Because you can see when there was a sharp fall in the market, this level provided support to the market. Okay, so there is a good possibility of market bouncing from here. And if you just observe this particular portion of the chart, then we can see that we have kind of a support zone here in the form of trend line plus the horizontal support. So this too makes it a very compact zone of support here. So we have a possibility of market bouncing from this particular level. Clear? And in case there is a heavy selling on the market, there is a free fall in the market, then obviously market will be going down and we cannot rely on these levels. But yes, you can take a sell position below 113. You can take a sell position below 113 if there is a heavy selling on the market. Keep in mind, heavy selling is required, volume is required. And the ultimate support is available at 112.40 to 112.50. 112.50 to 112.40. If market comes down to this particular level, there is a heavy chance of market bouncing from here and we can take a buy position. So these are the trading opportunities on USD JPY right now from my analysis. If you think that there are some other opportunities and windows on a chart of USD JPY, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And that's it. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday again.